Hello guys, what's up? Hope you are doing great. If you are new here, then hi, my name is Shiny. Recently, I started creating content on makeup, lifestyle, skincare and putting content on my brand new channel. So if you are new here, then please do subscribe to my channel and yeah. So in today's video, I am sharing the most easiest, most relatable and most realistic makeup tutorial you can find on the internet. And this is like realistic RAKSHA BANDHAN makeup tutorial. Everyone was doing like pink, black, red, yellow eyeshadow with dramatic eyelash, big cut crease, but I'm like no. So it's better to create something realistic, raw, that people actually can create in real life. So I am going to start with this, and today's video is all about this. If you are interested, then keep on watching, please. So let's start with the video.
ये तेरी चांद वालियां है होठों पे ये गालियां, ये तेरी चांद वालियां।
that's it for today's video, and this is such an easy peasy makeup look. Literally anyone can create this look. And one more thing, as I mentioned before, if you don't have this product, then it's okay, you can customize yourself. And yeah, happy Raksha Bandhan to each and everyone. Stay blessed, stay safe. Do like my video